Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can sell digital products on your TikTok. So the first thing is you need a TikTok account, and not just a TikTok account, you need a TikTok business account. So tap on three bars on the top right and go for settings and privacy. Once you are in, you need to tap on account on the top of your screen. Once you do so, you need to go for the switch to business account. As I have switched to business account, I just have the option of switch to personal. So once you do so, you will be able to add your TikTok or Shopify store link right in your profile. So the reason of business account is you need to have a Shopify as well. When you sign up for Shopify, you need to simply copy the link and paste it in your TikTok bio. And then once you have set up these things, you can sell your products on your TikTok profile. And using TikTok ads, your customer will be able to see your products on your TikTok profile and click on them, pay, and then receive a download link instantly. So hope this helped. This is how you can sell digital products on TikTok.